Hey, in this video I would like to walk you through the basics of Meno. So the first thing which you need to know is that the Meno is building your website based on the component structure. So if you click on elements, you will see the component structured on the tree on the right side. Below, you can see properties of this specific component. So for example, heading has a size 1, variant default, max width 100%, and align left. If I double click on it, I can see the structure of this component, and I can see that, for example, font size has 82 pixels. If I click Alt or Option, I can resize this value. If I click here and click Expand, I can see that it's connected with size 1 for 120, but other sizes has specific values. So in general, it works kind of similar to how Webflow or Framework works. But what is the difference here is that on the left side, we have a cloud code. Because this is a desktop application and we work directly on files, so right now you can open the structure of the files and you will see heading, which is right here. So when we were editing heading, this is what we were just editing. And when you go to the changes, you will see exactly which value we just changed. And if you want to do smaller changes like changing sizes, spacing, padding, or just reorder components, you can do it directly in the visual way. But if you would like to do something larger, for example, add a new page, in this case we have just a few pages, so let's add services page, and I will go in the accept edit mode, and just with this simple prompt, it will right now review our code base and based on the component structure create a new page. So right now it will go through components, it will see our UI components, our sections which we already have on this page, our layout components like navigation or footer, and form section, block sections like slider or FAQ item or case study list item. This is components. We have folder with pages and other folders like functions or libraries or images. So everything lives in the files. CMS itself lives also in files. So our cloud code has access to everything on our website. So on the one hand, cloud code can work directly with code, but because it's those files are JSON, so as you see, this is a JSON file. In the same time, I can just navigate through them like Webflow or Framer style, right? So you can just edit it directly. Okay. Cloud Code has just finished work, so I can go to the services and just check what it just created, and it looks quite promising. So we can just start working on top of it and do some small tweaks. For example, if I would like to add a button here, I can just click button and it's right here. If I would like to add margin, I can use isMarginTop property, which was already adjusted to the button. And let's say I would like to change the text to click me, and it's here. So this way I can make small changes visually. In the same time, I can see all the time how many instances this component has. For example, button is used 18 times. So this way I know how to build a design system which are consistent, and this is very important for us to build with AI, but in the consistent way where we are creating a design system which we actually understand, and we can build large websites which are scalable and maintainable. Thank you. This is just a quick introduction to Meno. And if you would like to learn more about it, check our website or download the Meno on meno.so. Thank you.